Do you want to be remembered for the way you live or the way you left? In the marketplace of life, we are all investors, placing our bets with time, effort, and even our beliefs. As for me, I'm not only a trader in life, but also an explorer in the capital markets. With the experiences of my first half of life, I've written a story about trading, risk, and commission. Understanding the end pattern to trade palm oil futures is a book about trading strategies. So this is my book in Chinese version. Through my years of experience, I have developed a unique approach to market analysis. However, beyond the market, as my life followed an N-shaped uptrend, or has it ultimately declined into a sorrowful correction? I was just an ordinary office worker living a 9-to-5 routine. But one day, by chance, I discovered my father's candlestick chart at home and was introduced to the palm oil futures market. Like this is the candlestick chart. From that moment, my life changed completely. Wow. Thank you. At first, like all beginners, I faced the harsh realities of the market. My account balance fluctuated constantly, but I didn't give up. Instead, I chose to keep learning. I studied K-line patterns and became particularly fascinated by naked candlestick charts. I realized that within market fluctuations, the end pattern could precisely capture trend reversals and helping traders identify the best entry and exit points. By 2018, I had finally found my footing and began sharing my trading strategies. In 2023, I compiled my trading philosophy into this book. Understanding the end pattern to trade palm oil futures. My life revolves almost entirely around the market. My days are consumed by candlestick charts and trading, making my lifestyle highly structured yet monotonous. I often say that the market is the fairest place. There are no emotions here, only data and trends. However, over time, my family and friends gradually distanced themselves from me. My work became solely about the market. There was no family, no friendships. Many questioned my choices, but I believe if I am to be remembered in this life, it will be for my achievement in trading. My way of life became a symbol of extreme dedication, fully committed, sacrificing everything else. Perhaps the greatest threat of all is not just about profit and losses, but about finding balance in my life. Eventually, I will leave. But the real question is, how do I want to be remembered? For my achievements or for the way I led? Thank you.